Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you which fruits and vegetables you can grow at home. Welcome to video number 14.
You can grow as many types of plants as you want, but you should consider having a small garden in your home. The kitchen garden will produce fresh and healthy fruits and vegetables for you and your family, and also it will increase the aesthetic value of your house. It is healthier to grow your own food, and it also saves a lot of money. Although growing a garden may seem complex, but certain plants will grow very easily. Its leaves and seeds have a strong smell and a spicy taste and widely used in making Pakistani and Indian dishes to enhance their taste. It can easily be grown at home. It can grow within weeks. Chili pepper is a shrub-like plant. It is the most widely used vegetable. It is used for the preparation of all type of vegetables, pulses and meats. It is super easy to grow this plant. Tomatoes are the most commonly used vegetable after peppers and potatoes. Keep it inside for 4 to 6 weeks before shifting in the sunlight. Summer season is best for growing tomatoes. They are ready for harvesting in 60 to 100 days. It is a very flavorful vegetable which is used in many oriental dishes and in fast foods like pizza toppings etc. You can grow it in your kitchen garden very easily. You can grow it in pots or land. Just like tomatoes, keep it inside for 4 to 6 weeks before shifting in the sunlight. Its best plantation time is early summer. It will be ready in 60 to 80 days. It is a very easy crop to grow. It can be grown in sunlight or light shade. You can grow it in any season by providing a suitable atmosphere, but it is a cold-friendly crop. Its harvesting time is 45 to 50 days. In the start of the summer season, take some roots cuttings of the mint plant and sow them in the soil. It will start growing after a few weeks. Once grown up few shrubs, it will be sufficient for a household. People use it to make fresh sauces, mostly by mixing it with yogurt. Lemon is a type of citrus fruit, but mostly used in cooking dishes and giving them some sour taste. There are many varieties of this plant. If you grow a plat of lemon at your home either in the soil or in a pot, it will produce lemons more than your family's requirement. Usually, it gives 2 crops each year. It will prove itself the most money-saving plant.